Hi, hello, how are you, children? I hope you are all fine. Children, today let us discuss some special talents or skills of you and your friends. Okay? Just think some of you are specially skilled in drawing, but your friends or your sister have other skills or talents like singing, dancing, writing. Okay? Yes or no? They have unique skills. Then what it mean? Each one is unique. You know, you are different from your friend and your friend is different from you. Unique or special in their own way, isn't it? Unique means being the only one of its kind. So, today we will understand a new lesson of EVS, that is, each one is unique. Okay? In this chapter, we are going to study how each and everyone is unique in their different way. Children, every year in a school, you will have various competitions such as singing, drawing, essay, model making, speech competitions, isn't it? So, every year in every schools, Pratibha Karanji is going to be held. In the same way, in Lata's school, Pratibha Karanji is going to be held in the next week. So, before going to lesson, first let us understand what is Pratibha Karanji. Pratibha Karanji is an extended program under plan schemes for primary and high school students. Participation in cultural activities brought joy and happiness both to the students participating in it and the audience watching it. Participation in extracurricular activities, especially cultural functions, would stand the students in good stead in their lives. Winning the competitions in the Pratibha Karanji was not important. That you, means students, have crossed all the hurdles, means problems, such as winning cluster level, district level events, and have come to participate in the state level competition, here itself is an achievement which you should cherish. Okay? Now I think you understood what it means what is the meaning of Pratibha Karanji. So, in Lata's school, the teachers decided to conduct various competitions for the students on that day. They displayed list of competitions on the notice board. Okay. After the school hours, Lata and her friends started discussing about their participation in the competitions. First, Lata told Raju, you draw pictures well. Register your name for drawing competition because he was good in drawing. He was good in drawing. So Lata told Raju, why couldn't you participate in drawing competition? Because you are very good in drawing. Then Raju told Lata, you have a melodious voice. Why don't you participate in the singing competition? Raju told to Lata, Lata, you have a melodious voice. So why don't you participate in the singing competition? Because she is very good in singing competition. At the same time, Muhammad told to Rita, Rita, you make clay models. You are the best person to participate in that competition. Because Rita is very good in clay model. Okay, clay modeling. So, Muhammad told you are the best person to participate in that competition. Rita told to Muhammad, Muhammad acts excellently. Lata, why can't he participate in the drama competition? Rita told to Lata that Muhammad acts excellently. So, he should participate in drama competition. Like this, they started discussing about their participation in the competitions. They discussed among themselves and decided about the participation in the competition. Each one, already I told you, each one is having special talents, special skills in their own way. One is good in drawing, means another one is good in clay modeling, and one more is good in drama, like this. Okay, understood? Okay, now I will ask some questions. Will you answer? Okay. Which competitions did Lata and Raju decided to participate in? Okay, Lata decided to participate in singing competition and Raju decided to participate in drawing competition. Okay. Next, what did Rita suggest that Muhammad do in the competition? Rita suggested that Muhammad could do in the drama competition. Why? Because he acts excellently, isn't it? Okay. Why did Muhammad suggest clay modeling for Rita? Because, yes, what? Yes, Rita is good in clay modeling, so he suggests that. Understood? Okay, now I will ask to you. In which competition do you want to participate in Pratibha Karanji of your school? Yes? Drawing? Singing? Essay? Okay, why? Why means you are particularly talented in that field, isn't it? So, okay. Do you have any special talents? Yes? Yes, drawing, maybe writing, whatever it may be. All those are special talents only. Okay. Now, I will give one question. Write a note. Write down in your worksheet. Okay. Make a list of special talents you have observed in your friends. Will you make a list of special talents that you observed in your friends? Okay. And one more question. Make a list of your family members and write the good qualities you like in them. Maybe 2 or 3 family members. Write their names and write the good qualities you like in them. Will you make a list? Okay. Try it. Okay. In the same way, in Karnataka, there are a number of great personalities who are famous in their fields. The opportunities and encouragement they got in their childhood made them so. The achievement of some personalities is given in the textbook. Shall we know about their personalities? Okay. I think you know one of the great person famous in Kannada film industry with his acting and singing skills. Who is he? Do you know? Nearly he acted in more than 200 films. Yes, Dr. Rajkumar. Dr. Rajkumar became very famous in Kannada film industry with his acting and singing skills. He is the first Kannadiga who got Dada Saheb Phalke Award. He acted in more than 200 films. Already I told you. Acting was a gift from his father. He acted in the plays at the age of 8 as a child actor. Understood? So, like this, some other personalities is also given. Shall we know? Okay. Kuppalli Venkatappa Puttappa. Kuvempu. Yes. Kuvempu was born at Kuppalli, is famous as a national poet. He wrote our Nadagite, Jaya Bharata Jananiya Tanujate, which we sing every day in our schools. He is the first Kannada poet to get the Jnanapita Award for his writing. Understood, children? He wrote Kindar Jogi, Nanna Gopala, understood? Amalana Kate, etc. For children, especially for children. Kuvempu, who is famous in the literary field, started reading and writing stories, poems, and books in his childhood. Kuvempu became a great poet by the encouragement of many people. One more great personality, Kittur Rani Chennamma. Chennamma was born in a small village called Kakati in Belagavi district. She was a brave girl. She learnt horse riding, sword fighting, and archery in his childhood. She learned the skills of warfare in her childhood. Then she got married to Mallasarja Desai of Kittur and became the queen of Kittur. After the death of Mallasarja, she fought bravely against the British and she has been called a brave woman. One more great person, Gangubai Hongal, who was born in Dharwada, is very famous in India for her singing. When she was 13 years old, her parents recognized her interest in music and admitted her to a music school. Okay. After learning both Hindustani and Carnatic music, she gave many music concerts in many places of India. And also she got many awards. She gave many music concerts over the radio. She is very famous in Hindustani music. Like this, many people have become great because of their special talents and skills. So read books available in your school or near your home library. Okay? And make a list of persons who are famous for their special qualities and skills in your locality also. Collect their information about them with the help of your elders and make a list. Understood, children? In the next class, we will learn physically challenged people having special talent and skills achieved something and got recognition in the world. Okay, thank you.